Now here is how you can go to the settings on the iPhone but without a functioning home button. So this is a newer iPhone where we have the gestures, but if you have an iPhone with the home button and you cannot come back to the home screen and you just want to go to the settings, well, there aren't that many ways like how you can get there. But if you are stuck in one app and you want to move somewhere else, what you have to do and what I would recommend you to do is to perform a force restart. So without actually going to the home screen using the home button, you can use the physical buttons on the side of the phone. So you would press the volume up, volume down, and the home button, right? And this is how you would perform the force restart. On this iPhone with the side button, we're going to perform it like this, right? And we're going to essentially restart the device, but without going or leaving the app, right? So I'm going to just keep on holding like this. The screen goes black, and then now we just wait for, at first, the Apple logo to show up. You can see now I can lift up my finger, and then now we just wait for the phone to boot up and start up, right? And the point is that this is technically the only way really to get back or return from some app to the home screen, so we would be able to open the settings. So now we have to be careful, so we just make sure we unlock the device, and I don't want to click on anything else if the home button is not working, but instead I essentially just go to the settings right away. And if your home button is not working, the first thing to do in the settings is to go to accessibility and click on a touch, where you enable assistive touch, which is essentially this floating home button. And you can choose that when you tap it, it's gonna go to the home screen like this. And essentially you always have a floating button, which is gonna return you back to the home screen, right? And that is like a nice way to replace the functionality of the built-in home button, which is not going to work on your phone. But that's essentially it. I hope it makes sense. I just try to be as clear as I can be. Definitely subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.